My name is Florence. I had a tummy tongue, liposuction, including waistline, hernia repair here at Muse Plastic Surgery. I chose this procedure because after having 3 children, 11, 7, and 17 months, I tried everything, diet, exercise, you name it, but nothing lose my skin. I wanted to feel comfortable. I wanted to feel confident again. What makes this place different is the care, the way they care for the patient, the program structure, and the design make patient feel comfortable. I would just tell them to do the research, trust their instincts, take the time. When they meet Dr. Jones, they will know that they chose the right place.